Good afternoon, Facebook and YouTube. This is Big John hollering at you from Delta Cam in Tacoma, Washington. And this is just going to be a short little video that I'll post up on YouTube and links to all my social medias or whatever to show how we're able to take a late model Ford factory roller out of a car or a pickup truck. The chassis number is a TE and it's a 351 Windsor firing order. Not the earlier 289 or 302 firing order, but the actual 351 Windsor firing order. Take the automotive camshaft, and then we put the factory HO grind, which is the Z, ZE, or GT. All three of those grinds are a minuscule amount, but they're almost identical to each other. So this is what we do when we take a factory automotive camshaft and put a modified factory high output grind onto it. So what we got here is the set of micrometers. 1" 439, which I just bumped that when I picked it up. So it's 1" 440 is an OEM Camcore. And this is almost impossible to do with one hand, so this is junk. But you see the amount of material that we remove during grinding. So I'm going to get that measurement. And then, because the base circle, we're measuring both sides of the lobes, the right side and the left side. And then when we go to order, if we want to maintain factory balanced rocker arm geometry, whatever that base circle diminishment is, let's just say it's 100 thousandths. So I'm going to order a 50 thousandths overlength push rod because the lifter is only picking up half of the lobe contact. The other half is on the back side, which is not being picked up. So if our base circle is diminished 100 thousandths, we'll need a 50 thousandths overlength push rod to put us right back at the OEM rocker arm geometry. So I'm going to measure this one right now, and then I'm going to box this bugger up and send it on out of here back east to friends of ours, and they were going to get some overlength push rods and put this bugger together and be off and running. Can't wait to see the build. Anyway, good luck, Sarah. Have a good day.